Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Happy Tuesday afternoon. I'm Storm Team Meteorologist Jacob Woods. If we can make it through the rest of today, we will be through the worst of this heat wave, finally on the better side or the come down side of it going into the second half of this week. But that heat advisory just now was extended through 9 o'clock on Wednesday for all of central Alabama, no longer just through the rest of our Tuesday, but now including Wednesday, which we figured would happen since we're all still going to be meeting that criteria of a heat index of 105 or greater. For the rest of this Tuesday, can't rule out a couple of showers or downpours out there. Most of us stay dry. Temperatures in the mid-90s. There is going to be hardly any wind out there to help cool things off. And we are weather aware through Wednesday for the dangerous heat index, potentially as hot as 110. I think that's the better case for today, and probably closer to that 105 for our Wednesdays. So this afternoon, this is where it could feel the hottest, really, from Fayette to Jasper, Asheville, Alabaster. Those are going to be some of the places that probably reach that higher heat index. A little bit better for places like Anniston down towards Talladega and Alex City and Clanton, but look, wherever you are, it's going to feel miserably hot out there. For our Wednesday, we're shaving off quite a few degrees, so not going to feel as hot, but still going to be dangerous, feeling like we're in the lower triple digits. The weather pattern really takes a big shift moving into the second half of this week, that dome of heat switching, or I should say shifting off towards our west with a belt of numerous showers and storms just east of that dome of high pressure, so that's going to be including us here in central Alabama. Notice really not much going on today. Most of us again stay dry with just a few showers and downpours out there, but anybody does stand that chance to get wet just for a brief moment today. Once we go into Wednesday morning, we're starting the day dry, but check out how numerous and widespread the showers and storms are for Wednesday afternoon. This is going to hold those high temperatures down closer to the 90-degree mark if we're even able to get there before the rain starts populating the area. But I do think these are going to be slow movers, very prolific rain producers. We'll have a lot of moisture in the air, so we could see a lot of rain in a short amount of time in some very localized spots, and you know what that means. It all kind of spells the recipe for some flash flooding concerns. It's not really a high concern for us on Wednesday, but nonetheless, it will be something that we'll be watching for. Once we go into the second half of this week, we talked about the showers and storms increasing. That's going to help decrease those temperatures. Highs getting back into the middle to upper 80s for the first time in a while once we get to next weekend.